Carato, and welcome to my introductory video series on AWS Bedrock. I'm so glad you're here, and I'm so excited to be presenting these videos to you. Once again, I'm Dan Carato, and I hope you'll subscribe to my channel. As you probably guessed, on the left, this is an animated image of Jeff Bezos and Lawrence Sanchez standing in front of Jeff's B-4 rocket, and Jeff's wearing his cowboy hat. I created this image using Bedrock. According to Amazon, Bedrock is the easiest way to build and scale generative AI application with application models, foundation models, FMs. Amazon's completed a study and finds there's a strong demand for AI talent and the potential for workers with AI skills to earn up to 47% more in salaries. 47%. That's almost a 50% increase in income. I think that's really exciting. Just a couple of definitions to get us started. Generative AI. Generative artificial intelligence, also generative AI or Gen AI, is artificial intelligence capable of generating text, images, or other media using generative models. Generative AI models learn the patterns and structure of their input training data and then generate new data that has similar characteristics. Foundation model. A foundation model is a large machine learning model trained on a vast quantity of data at scale such that it can be adapted to a wide range of downstream tasks. An FM uses learned patterns and relationships to predict the next item in a sequence. Foundation models, even though are pre-trained, can continue to learn from data inputs or prompts during inference. This means that you can develop comprehensive outputs through carefully curated prompts. Tasks that FMs can perform include language processing, visual comprehension, code generation, and human-centered engagement. Inference is the process of running live data through a trained AI model to make a prediction or solve a task. Amazon Bedrock overview. Amazon Bedrock is a fully managed service that makes foundation models from leading AI startups and Amazon available via an API. You can quickly experiment with a variety of FMs in the playground, that's in the console, and use a single API for inference regardless of the models you choose. Since Bedrock is serverless, you can get started quickly, privately customize FMs with your own data, and easily integrate and deploy them into your applications. Amazon Bedrock offers a choice of high-performing foundation models from leading AI companies like AI21 Labs, Anthropic, Cohere, and others, including Amazon. Some benefits of Amazon Bedrock. Choice of leading foundation models, easy model customization with your data, fully agents that dynamically invoke APIs to execute tasks. Some additional benefits It runs on AWS, and that's a big benefit. Easily integrates with AWS Compute and other AWS resources, such as Lambda. You can use SDKs to call the APIs, and so on. And it's protected by AWS security. I think it's interesting that I went to ChatGPT yesterday and got this message. I don't ever see that happening with AWS. You can get started with use cases quickly. Text generation. Create new pieces of original content such as short stories, essays, social media posts, and web page copy. Chatbots. Build conversational interfaces such as chatbots and virtual assistants to enhance the user experience for your customers. Search. Search, find, and synthesize information to answer questions from a large body of data. Text summarization. Get a summary of textual content such as articles, blog posts, books, and documents to get the gist without having to read the full content. Image generation. Create realistic and artistic images of various subjects, environments, and scenes from language prompts. Personalization. Help customers find what they're looking for with more relevant product recommendations than word matching. These are a couple of images I created in the Bedrock Playground. The first one is I created it with this prompt. Animated picture of Jeff Bezos standing next to his Blue Origin B-4 rocket wearing a cowboy hat. And the second one, animated picture of Jeff Bezos and Lawrence Sanchez standing next to his Blue Origin B-4 rocket wearing a cowboy hat. It seems silly, but I had so much fun generating these images. Hello, I'm Dan Carato, and this video is part of a course that I've created to help you learn about and take advantage of the opportunity of generative AI. Click on the link below to go see more about the course and enroll.